Hi, it's John McComb, and we're here at Vancouver General Hospital this morning in an effort to help raise money for a brand new mental health facility here at VGH. In a few minutes, you're going to see just how old and in badly need of replacement the current facility is. But we're doing this on behalf of the UBC and VGH Hospital Foundation and a program that they have started, a fundraising effort, called Make Mental Health Matter, and that's what we're going to be doing. Joining me here is Mary Ackenhusen, who's the Chief Operating Officer for VGH and UBC, and also the GF Strong Rehabilitation Center. Thank you for doing this. Nice to see you.
Thank you for having me on.
Tell me about the project for the new mental health center and what it means overall to VGH.
So we're replacing a very old building from the early 1940s, where we are sitting right now, where mental health services are housed. So it is our oldest building. It's actually our oldest building and most highest priority for all of VCH. And so we expect to have a 8-floor, 90,000 square foot brand new building. And most importantly, it will be designed specifically for mental health, which the current building was never designed to, for safety, for healing, for all the good things that you would like to see if you were a mental health patient.
Now, tell me about the people who are involved in partnership with this, because it is truly a community effort that's behind this.
Absolutely. So it was really jump-started by the $12 million gift by Joe and Rosalie Siegel family. So that was an excellent start. Government stepped in, and they are contributing over $50 million. And of course, the VGH UBC Foundation is raising a total of $25 million, so an additional $13 million above and beyond the Siegel gift. So truly a community effort, as you said. And
the campaign that is underway right now is to raise the final, I think, $10 or $12 million to get this
exactly.
thing
I think there's about $10 million left to go.
Yeah. Tell me about how the hospital foundation, the role that they play in VGH in the life of this hospital and UBC as well.
Well, we couldn't do a whole lot of things without them. So as we all know, all governments are really strapped for cash. So when it comes to capital, it's really important to have that private side contributing and, as I said, kind of jump-starting these projects. So VGH UBC Foundation works very closely with VCH to determine what those priorities are and to tap into the community, to give the community an opportunity to help out.
We're going to look at how this facility functions or doesn't function in terms of patient care in a few minutes, but what will the new facility mean to doctors and staff? They must be just absolutely over the moon. For sure.
What will it mean? It's hard to imagine. You'll see it when you go through the building. But first and foremost, if you're a patient here, you want the best staff and the best physicians. So not only is a good building important for the healing of the patients, and we can go into a lot of detail of why this is not optimal, the current, but also you need the great building to attract people here. And we want the best staff and the best physicians and the best researchers, because we are the center of research for the province. And again, it's all kinds of things that make somebody want to come and work for VCH and work in mental health here. And certainly the building, the environment, the work environment's a big piece of that.
Tell me about the role of the Siegel family, because they've been instrumental in helping raise money. And in fact, I think their donation was the largest ever.
Yes, it was the largest ever. And certainly we're very grateful that they've stepped forward, because contributing to mental illness and these type of things is, as you know, in society is not the thing that people usually go to.
Exactly.
And so their profile has really helped us in terms of getting other donors to come forward. But of course, this is something they've done outside of just this gift. They've had a great interest of mental illness throughout the community and have given generously to that.
Mary, where can people go to make a donation? I know you have a website set up for this. What's the address?
That's right. So if you go to givetomentalhealth.ca, you'll see a website where you can give and you can get lots of information on this specific project. Or if you can't remember that, then there's the VGH UBC Foundation website, which also will link you into the right place.
And if you can't remember that, there is a link right here on our website where you found these videos, where you can go to givetomentalhealth.ca. I'm John McComb. Please help us make mental health